Here is a video on how to replace the cup holder cover on Volkswagen Golf 5, Golf 6, EOS, Jetta, Scirocco in 5 easy steps. You can see that our cup holder cover is broken, so it needs to be replaced. Here we have the new cover, that you can find it below in the video description. You will need a flat blade screwdriver, and you don't need to remove the cup holder or the armrest. 1. Use a flat blade screwdriver or your finger to remove the 2 rubber parts. So, if you have the cover hidden inside the cup holder, you just need to push it outwards using a flat blade screwdriver. Three. Remove the cup holder cover by pushing on the right side. Four. Install the new cover on the cup holder. You can find cup holder cover for Volkswagen Golf 5, Golf 6, and Jetta below in the video description. If you notice that it slides more difficult, you can use a little contact spray to lightly lubricate the guides, but very little. 5. Install the rubber parts back. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, you can write us in the comments section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, or you can send me a super thanks. Thank you for watching.